Welcome to Majlis Al Amal by الجليلة Foundation, a place where hope and healing go hand in hand. Here, you can find comfort in a supportive environment. Here, your well-being comes first. Here, you never have to face cancer alone.
The first time I heard about Majlis Al Amal, it was during my staying in Germany. One of my close friends, she told me there is Majlis Al Amal. It's a center for women who has been diagnosed with cancer, different kind of cancer, and it's a support group.
I think every time I come here, it gives me those different positive feelings. I can come here when I'm at my lowest and walk out of here laughing, in the best mood.
When they approached me, everyone is talking about their story. They were so happy. And I came in sad, filled with so much fear. But when I met them, when I came here, I was inspired. I told myself, I can do this surgery. I got courage again. Hope came alive in me. I was inspired, really.
At first, when I was diagnosed, I don't feel the need. I felt I can do it all by myself. But when I came to Majlis Al Amal, where you see a community and you get to connect with other people having the same or similar experience as you have, it changes my perspective that it is much better to be surrounded by people who supports you and who's having the same thing as you have, than being alone.
They do a lot of this new ways of therapies that we don't know about it, like sound therapy, art therapy, stitching therapy.
It was horse therapy, was interacting with horses was very soothing and uplifting. That the first time horse came to me, and I'm like, no, Farzana, you can do it. You can do it. Trust yourself. Nothing's gonna happen. I felt so good.
I was like you. I was afraid. I was shy. I didn't want people to know what I was going through, but I didn't want to go through it alone. So when I came here, I found my tribe. It's time to find yours too.
In my mother language, I would say, Ireti Atagbara ni Majlis Al Amal.
مجلس الأمل قريب على القلب.
Comfort.
Familia.
Home. كيف أنت بترتاحي بالبيت؟ أنا برتاح بمجلس الأمل.
Majlis Al Amal is more than a community center. It is a lifeline, a safe, nurturing space. Just drop in to find support and make lasting connections. Join one of our workshops or classes. Be part of our circle of hope. Majlis Al Amal, your home away from home.